study producing more than 18 types of bread in 2500 BC. Bread was so important to the Egyptian way of life that it was used as a type of currency. They revered it so much they would often place it in the tomb of their dead. Bakers were powerful credit brokers during the Middle Ages in France. They often loaded out bread as currency and as a form of credit. King Louis IV said, "He who controls a nation's bread is a greater rule than he who controls their souls." Napoleon gave a common bread its name when he demanded a loaf of dark rye bread for his horse during the Persian campaign. In Britain, the ceremony of first footing in trending observed in the early hours of New York's Day. A piece of bread is left outside a door with a piece of coal and a silver coin, and is supposed to bring you food, warmth, and richness in the year ahead. Bakers used to be fined if their loaves were underweight, so they added an extra loaf to every dozen, hence the term baker's dozen. Superstition says it is bad luck to turn a loaf of bread upside down or cut an unbaked loaf. Assuming a sandwich was eaten for breakfast, lunch and dinner, it would take 168 days to eat the amount of bread produced from one bushel of wheat. A family of 4 could live 10 years off the bread produced by 1 acre of wheat. The inner part of the bread increase in the crust is called the crumb. Hence why small bites of this part of bread are called crumbs. Scandinavian traditions hold that if a boy and girl eat from the same loaf, they are bound to fall in love.